Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can change app drawer style on Android. For that, I have taken two mobiles. This is Motorola and this is Realme mobile. Okay, on any mobile, mostly the options will be similar. Okay, first of all, the app drawer here, see here, on both the devices, there is vertical swipe only. Okay, on this Motorola or on the Realme, it is vertical swipe app drawer style. So if you want to change, you can, first of all, there are two changes actually. Within the vertical swipe only, you can change by clicking on the three dots here and then clicking on the settings, and you can use smart tray. So this won't make much difference. This will bring search bar here, but how you can change the entire style from horizontal to vertical? For that, you need to click on Android phone settings, then click on home and lock screen, home settings, then home screen style. See here, this is the vertical which is currently selected. I'll be selecting horizontal. Okay, and there is settings gear icon here. See here, free arrangement and autofill app icons. Here also you can use manual arrangement of the apps, or you can leave it to the system. Actually, I have just left it to the system, or else if you want change, you can change. Now I'll be, see here, now this, there is no vertical swipe here, only the horizontal swipe. See, and this arrangement is also default. I'll just keep it aside. I'll go to this Realme, sorry. So now click on the Android phone settings. Here also, this is the app drawer, right? There is a settings gear icon here. These are the shortcut settings. Oh, sorry, settings and app drawer settings here. And from here, sorry, I'll just navigate this. Click on your Android phone settings. Then you need to go to home screen and lock screen, and here click on the home screen, and see here, click on the standard and click on apply. If you don't want trends, you can just switch. Now instead of the vertical swipe, you'll go to horizontal. Likewise, whichever you want, you can shift between app drawer styles from horizontal to vertical. Okay, yeah, no vertical swipe now, only a horizontal swipe. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.